Hi everybody, this is Michael with our Epic RV Adventure. We're going to take a quick look at the TST tire pressure monitoring system right now.
You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest.
Proper tire inflation is critical on really any vehicle if you want to have the longest tire life, safest ride, and even tire wear. And how do you do that? Weigh the rig. If you have a drivable like this, preferably 4-corner weigh. That way you get an individual weight on each corner. Weigh it, and then based on those axle weights, you go to the tire manufacturer's website and see what they recommend for your cold PSI for the weight they're handling, and then maybe add 3 to 5 pounds just to give you some wiggle room, you know, in case you add stuff later on down the road. Weighing, very simple. Go to a CAT scale. You can download the Weigh My Truck app, and you just drive up on the scale, open up the app. It does everything, charges you $12.50 as I'm filming this anyway, and gives you a report on your axle weight. So that's the way to do it. I know a lot of people say, well, it's on the side of the tire. What's on the side of the tire? Well, if you read the side of the tire, it says maximum PSI. That doesn't mean that's what you're supposed to put it at. That means it's the maximum you can put in it. Maximum cold. Again, your tires will heat up and increase pressure as you drive, so we're only talking about cold PSI. The sticker on the door, that is the RV manufacturer's recommendation based on gross vehicle weight. Now, if it's under that weight, pressure should be lower. If it's at that weight, the pressure should be what the sticker says. If it's over the weight that the vehicle's rated for, you need to lose some weight. So originally we had purchased this easy TPMS system right here, and it worked pretty good. We've had some issues with it along the way. We've had to replace the display. We've had some issues with battery life, things like that. So we decided it was time to upgrade, and we have upgraded to the TST tire monitoring system right here. So it's out with the easy, in with the new and improved. Now, the biggest thing I like about this TST system, other than the fact that it's been super reliable so far, is this nice big bright color screen. So once you turn this display on, it's going to start looking for the sensors, and it's going to take a couple of minutes, and it'll start reporting both temperature and pounds per square inch on each of the tire that you have the little sensor here on. So what tires did you put this sensor on? Every single tire you have, including your spare. This also comes with a dedicated spare tire system, so you can monitor that separately. And a lot of people say, well, why do you need to monitor the spare tire? Because, you know, it's not even being used. Well, what if you need your spare tire? I know it's happened to me once, and I'm sure it's probably happened to some other folks, that you've had a flat tire, you go to use your spare, and your spare's flat. Well, this will make sure that you know if your spare tire needs air or not. Programming, super simple. You set this in programming mode, hold the sensor on the back, touch it, it'll beep, let you know. You can set the tire pressure for each axle as you want. It monitors up to 115 different sensors and up to 128 PSI. Another great feature of this is it monitors up to 4 separate trailers. So if you're towing vehicles behind your Class A, for instance, and you change vehicles often, you can put the sensors on all of them and just pick and choose which ones you want to monitor as you go down the road. Or if you have multiple trailers that you're towing, same deal. That's an excellent feature. You can also quickly disconnect, so to speak, any trailer from the main system here, so you don't have that annoying beep going down the road if you're only driving, you don't have the trailer behind you. So a couple of great features there. This also comes with a signal repeater, a suction cup mount, and a dash mount. The signal repeater is really easy to install. Just need to give it 12 volt power as close to the rear of your tow vehicle as possible. You'll see an indicator on here saying that it's connecting, and there's also a light on the antenna itself to let you know that it's actually turned on and operating. The kit we bought, which is the 507 RV, comes with these twist on. These work on either rubber or metal valve stems. They do have flow through sensors you can buy as well that only work on the metal valve stems, and they also have some built in you can put on the tire rim itself, so they're internal. So you have many different options on your sensors. So even though the antenna is highly recommended, I haven't had it installed yet, and we've had no problem reading the sensors on our Toad, which is a Chevy Equinox, from the very front where we have this. But I'm going to go ahead and get that thing installed anyway, just to be on the safe side. The owner's manual gives you simple step-by-step instructions on how to program this and in its many features of use. So we've been using this now for about 2 months. It's been working great, have zero issues. The sensors are easy to program, the interface is simple to use, the display is easy to read in almost all light conditions as well. Highly recommend the TST tire pressure monitoring system. If you've got any questions about this, leave us a note in the comments below. If you use this or whatever TPMS you use, leave us a note in the comments as well. We'd love to hear what you're using to keep your tires and you safe. So thanks for watching, and may your next journey be an epic adventure. Bye.